Hey guys, Jacobowitz here from Brunch Boys. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. It is lovely seeing your beautiful faces. This is all about my food adventures all over the world, but today we are right here in my apartment in Brooklyn, New York, and I'm cooking up something for you, a hot sausage breakfast sandwich. So, this video is a recipe that I did for Instagram because I was paid by Jimmy Dean to create it there. I was not paid for this YouTube video, so they're not gonna see it, they're not gonna make any notes, they have not paid me for this. I just really thought it was a fun recipe and I wanted to share it with you guys, but I always wanna make clear what my paid partnerships are. So without further ado, let's make the sausage. Okay, so flat top is nice and hot. Let's just add the sausage right on top. Give it a nice squeeze here. Ooh. You hear that sizzle action. So what we want to do is start breaking it all up into little pieces because we want to maximize the surface area on our skillet and brown up every single piece of the meats. It smells amazing already. The aromatics coming out of the sausage are so good. Brown up quick too, all right. What I like about this recipe too is that it's pretty hard to mess up. I like making recipes that are really, really easy. If it's too hard, I don't want to do it. Okay, while I let this cook, what I'm gonna do is crack 3 eggs to scramble and just whisk them together. All right, and I'm just gonna set this aside for now. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's check back on the sausage. Sausage, you really wanna cook it all the way through. And I really like that we're getting a lot of really crispy pieces. I think that's gonna add such a nice texture to every bite of the sandwich. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take it off the skillet for now and put it aside for a minute. Okay, so what I did was I left the fat of the sausage still on the flat top, and we are going to use that as the fat to cook our eggs. So let's do that. Let's incorporate all that flavor into the eggs as well. Ooh, yeah. So we're just scrambling them, just getting them together. I really love using the fat of the sausage too because it's one less thing I have to clean between cooking. It's for flavor and for time management, my 2 favorite things to try and accomplish when I'm cooking. And easy. At this point too, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper right onto the eggs. All right, these are looking good, so let's take them off the pan. Okay, so for the sandwich, I'm actually using these Damn Good English muffins. They sent them to me a few weeks ago. I love them so much that I ordered a whole lot more. They're a little thicker and chewier than English muffins, but I really enjoy them. And this is the multigrain flavor, and they're all in a sourdough. I think they're delicious. I don't know. Give them a try. But anyway, so I toasted up one of those, and it's time to build. So on the bottom, we are going to add a little bit of mayonnaise. It's almost gonna act like a glue for everything else. You can use any mayonnaise you want. I use kewpie. Why? Because I love it and it's Japanese and it tastes good. But whatever floats your boat there. Then we are going to add some of our sausage right on top. I kind of like the idea of getting these little crispy bits. It's so good. So next up is our layer of eggs. Next, because you could always use more fat, I have a slice of American cheese here. And now we want to get it all nice and melty, so I'm going to throw it into the broiler for 30 seconds to a minute. And there we go, American cheese all nice and toasted, and bam! We got ourselves a hot breakfast sandwich. Ooh, that pan is hot, goddamn. Where are my hands? It looks amazing, but gotta do the taste test. Oh my God. I mean, right away, I think you're getting such a nice mixture of textures. So much creaminess from the eggs, from the mayonnaise, from the American cheese, but then all those little crispy bits of the sausage coming through is such an incredible bite. And I really like it's not spicy heat. It's just like a nice warm heat that you're getting every single bite. It's taking what could be this breakfast sandwich here and making it this breakfast sandwich here. I'm happy. I'm really happy with this one. How easy and simple is that? And this English muffin, it's really pulls both the whole thing together. I think if you're using a different type of bread, it might fall apart a little bit easier. But because this English muffin is like nice, chewy, and thick, it's really like a good vessel for all the stuff that I put into the sandwich. Wow. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know below what you thought about this recipe. Like the video, share the video, follow. I do a lot of cooking stuff, a lot of food adventures, like I said, all over the world. All those things are appreciated, and I think I did good on this one, so I definitely did good on this one.